Hello everybody, welcome to Gabymathematics YouTube channel. This video is regarding Form 5 Chapter 1. So I'm going to do exam style question together with you. But if you have no idea what is this Chapter 1 about yet, so you may find an introduction video about this chapter in my Form 5 playlist. I highly recommend you watch that video first so that you can understand even better in this exercise video. Before we start, if you find this channel is useful, please recommend it to your friends around and also like this video so that this video can reach even more people. Alright, so if you're already done so, let's start with first question. Let's go. Question number 1. P varies directly as the square of Q and inversely as the square root of R. So P berubah secara langsung dengan kuasa 2Q dan secara songsang dengan punca kuasa 2R. So at the end, they give us the value and they want us to express P in terms of Q and R. Ungkapkan P dalam sebutan Q dan R. So when you see the word express P, ungkapkan P, meaning they want us to write the answer in equation only. So meaning we just have to leave our answer P equal something Q R. So this is called express P. Okay, so now the first thing we write is P varies, put this symbol, directly. So directly, secara langsung, you just write whatever they say. So they say Q square, square of Q, Q square. Now when you see inverse, songsang, make sure you write at the bottom. Over, so what must write at the bottom? Square root of R, square root R. So this is called variation form, bentuk ubahan. So after that, we have to change it to equation. So change to equal. So the moment change to equal, you have to add K. Okay, so the K we put on top, K Q square over square root R. Okay, so this is not the answer yet. Now we need to find K. So sum all the value given to find K. So P is 12, K don't know. Q is 3 and then square over square root R. R is 9. Okay, so now we need to find K. Square root 9 is 3. 3 square is 9. Okay, so here 9K over 3. Okay, the 3 and 9 can simplify. So 12 equal 3K. So at the end, K is how much? So the 3 bring over, become divide. 12 divided by 3. So we get 4. Alright, so now K is 4. So we need to sub it back into this equation. Okay, we write the equation one more time. P equal K is 4. 4Q square over square root R. Then done. So this is a complete equation. So once we found K, so the K need to put it back. Okay, so now let's go to question 2. Here they give us a table regarding V and U. Okay, V varies directly. Secara langsung, directly as what? Directly as cube root of U. Punca kuasa 3U. And then at the end we need to find B. Okay, so first thing, we write V varies directly, secara langsung, straight away write whatever they say at the back. So they say cube root of U, cube root U. Okay, now change it to equation, V equal. So once you change to equal, you need to add K. Okay, K cube root U. Okay, now we need to find K. Now always choose the complete information to sum, where we have V and U all together. Okay, V and U together, which is the first set of information. Okay, use this to find K. Okay, V is 2, K don't know, cube root, U is 27. Okay, cube root 27 is 3. Okay, the value is 3. 2 equals to 3K. So at the end, K equals to, okay, we move the 3 over, become divide. So K is 2 over 3. Alright, so once we got K, put it back. Okay, our complete equation will be V equal 2 over 3 cube root U. Okay, so this is our complete equation. So use this to find B now. So the question asks us to find B. Okay, so we use the second set of information, this. Okay, now the V is 4 equal 2 over 3. This one remains because it's a constant. Cube root U. Okay, U is 10B plus 16. Okay, so now we need to find B. Okay, first we have to move this fraction over. 4 times, so 2 over 3 bring over, terbalik, become 3 over 2. Okay, this one cube root 10b plus 16. Okay, simplify here. 3 times 2, 6. Cube root 10b plus 16. Okay, so now to find B, next thing to move will be the cube root. Okay, cube root punca kuasa 3. Bring over, it will become cube. 6 cube equal 10b plus 16. 6 cube is 216 equals to 10b plus 16. Okay, so next, bring the 16 over, become minus 16. 216 minus 16, so we left with 200 equals to 10b. So finally, B is how much? Okay, bring the 10 over, become divide. 200 divided by 10. So B equals to 20. Done. Okay, so now let's move on to question 3. Okay, they give us unknown JL. Okay, here J varies inversely secara songsang, inverse as what? Square root of L, and then at the end we need to find M and N. Okay, so whenever you see inverse songsang, you need to write at the bottom. Then what must write on top? When there is nothing, we put 1. Okay, J varies 1 over, okay, inversely as what? Square root of L, square root L. Okay, then now change to equal. You need to add K. So the K we put on top. K over square root L. Okay, need to find K first. So choose the complete set of information, sub it, and find K. So we use the first one where we got J and L all together. Okay, J is 5 over 2 equal K don't know, square root L, L is 4. 5 over 2 equal K over square root 4 is 2. So at the end, K how much? So this one 2, 2, K equals to 5. So this K equals to 5. Now once we got K, we need to sub it back, write a complete equation first. So put it back. So our complete equation will be J equal 5 over square root L. This. Okay, so now we're going to use this to find M and N. Okay, so to find M, we're going to use the second set. Okay, M is J. Okay, M is J, 9 is L. So J is M now, 5 over square root L, L is 9. So M equal 5 over 3. Okay, 5 over 3, done. We got M. Okay, so now if you want to find N, okay, so we're going to use the third set of information. So now the J is 5 over 4. Okay, 5 over 4 equal 5 over square root. Okay, the L is N now. So change to N. Okay, so this 5 you can just ignore. 4 equals to square root N. Then N is how much? So we move the square root over, N equals to 4 square. So N equals to 16. And done. We got M, we got N. Okay, let's move on. Okay, question number 4. B varies directly as the square of C and D. Okay, B berubah secara langsung dengan kuasa 2C dan D. Okay, here guys. When you see N, done, what are their relationship? So when you see N, their relationship is times. Just stick together, right side by side. It's always times. Okay, question A. Express B in terms of C and D. So we need to form equation. Okay, B equals to C. Okay, the answer consists of C and D. Okay, now B varies directly. Okay, directly means you can straight away write. So write things at the back. Square of C means C square. And D, just write next to it. Their relationship is times, always. Okay, so now B equal, we need to add K, C square D. Okay, sub everything to find K. So we have B equals to 50, C equals to 5, D equals to 8. So B is 50, K don't know, C is 5, 5 square, D is 8. Okay, 50 equal, now 5 square, 25. 25 times 8, 200K. So to find K, now this 200 bring over, become divide. So 50 divided by 200. So 50 divided by 200, K equals to 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 4. So now we're going to write a complete equation for part A. So B equal, now the K is 1 over 4. So you just put 1 over 4, C square D. So this is the answer. Or there's another way of writing, or you can actually leave your answer this way. Because 1 over 4, fraction, 4 is at the bottom denominator. So you can actually make it this way. C square D over 4. The 4 put at the bottom. These two, same meaning, both acceptable. Okay, so it depends on what you want. Okay, I will just keep one answer. Okay, I will remain as the first one. Okay, so this will be the part A, finished, done. Now part B, okay, part B we need to find value. What value we need to find? So they asked to find value of C squared. Now, look carefully, they ask C squared, not C. Okay, so B is 24, D is 6 now. Okay, B is 24 equal, so this 1 over 4 remain because it's a constant. C squared, don't know, remain it as C squared. D, okay, D is 6. Okay, 24 equal, so we can times these two together. 1 over 4 times 6. So we get 3 over 2 C squared. So if you want to find C c square. So move this 3 over 2 over. So c square equal 24 times. If you bring 3 over 2 to the other side, you need to terbalik, become 2 over 3. So c square equals to 16. And done, because they want c square. Okay, let's go to next one. Question number 5. So they give us few variable PQR. So they already give us in variation form dalam bentuk ubahan. So we need to change to equation and then find A and B. Okay, so P varies 1 over QR. So this is the given one. So change to equal. So once you change to equal, you need to add K. So the K put on top, K over QR. Okay, so now sub everything to find K first. Okay, I use the first set of information because all value given. Okay, use the first set. P is 3 over 2, K don't know, Q is 2, R is 4. 3 over 2 equal K over 8. Okay, so to find K, so we bring the 8 to the other side. From divide, become times. K equal 3 over 2 times 8. So K equals to 4 times 3, 12. So K equals to 12. Okay, so now we got K, write a complete equation first. So the complete equation will be P equal 12 over QR. This. So now we're going to use this to find A and B. Okay, so now to find A. Okay, find A, we use the second set of information. So P is 2 over 5 equal 12 over Q is A. R is 5. So 2 over 5 equal 12 over 5A. Now, if we want to find A, so what do we do? Okay, fraction equal fraction. We can do cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication. 5A times 2, so we get 10A. 5 times 12, 60. So at the end, A equals to, okay, 10 bring over, become divide. 60 divided by 10, A equals to 6. Okay, now next. To find B, okay, we're going to use the third set of information. So P is 1 over 6, 12 remain. Q is 12. Then this is B. Okay, at the end, okay, we can do cross multiplication. 12B times 1 is 12B. 6 times 12, 72. So at the end, B equals to 72 divided by 12. B equals to 6. Okay, B is also 6. Now at the end, what do they want? They want us to find the value of A over B. Okay, it's not done yet. So we want A over B. 6 over 6. The answer is 1. Okay, we have done all the questions in this video. It's just a very simple, basic, but important. I will try my best to upload more exercise video. Let me know what topic you want us to do together in the comment section. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.